Hello friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how to make a decoration in the form of a cauldron with a Frankenstein's head for Halloween. I'll use a 24-inch green balloon as a basis. As a gift for this tutorial, I'm giving you a file with pictures of Frankenstein's face and a pumpkin. I wrote in detail how to get a gift in the comments below this video tutorial. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, I fill the balloon with sweets. There are about 350 or 400 grams of sweets in a balloon. Next, I fill the balloon with 5-inch balloons. After I have completely filled the balloon with sweets and small balloons, I inflate it. I inflated the balloon a little smaller than its factory size because later in the video, I'm going to show you how to glue a sticker that is larger in size than the part of the balloon on which it should be glued. The balloon is swinging a little bit, but it is very stable because there are candies at the bottom of it. I make the base for the balloon from 2 balloons for modeling black and green in size to 160. I inflated the balloons almost completely. I left the end of each balloon the size of 4 fingers not inflated. I make a pinch twist on the tip of the balloon Then tie the two ends of the balloon together. I put the pinch twist inside the resulting loop and knead the balloon to give it the shape of a circle. I do the same with the second balloon. I fix both of these elements together with double-sided adhesive tape. The green balloon I also fixed to the stand using double-sided adhesive tape. To shape the upper part of the balloon and give it the shape of a cauldron, I make 3 similar loops. I fasten them together and fix them with double-sided adhesive tape on the top of the balloon. I glued the upper part with a slight offset in accordance with the character of the hero. Now it's time to stick the stickers on. Look, because the sticker is large, convex parts appeared on the sticker. I make an incision in the middle of the convex part and then glue each part in turn. To fill the cauldron, you can inflate 5-inch balloons and stick them. But I decided to fill the cauldron with balloon flowers. You can watch a tutorial on how to make such flowers on our YouTube channel. You can glue flowers using double-sided adhesive tape, but I will stick them with a hot glue gun out of habit. I use the most common hot glue gun with a power of up to 20 watts. I make ears out of 2 10-inch black balloons. You need to inflate the balloon into 4 pumps and make an apple twist. I glue ears with double-sided adhesive tape. So, the big-eared Halloween decoration with Frankenstein's face is ready.